Hey guys, it's Ashton White with First Western Title, and this week on Ask Ashton, we're going to be talking about making an image transparent. So if you ever wanted your logo or your headshot to not have a background, I'm going to show you how to do that now. So let's take a look. So the website I use is called Clipping Magic, and keep in mind I'm logged in, but I'm going to either drag my image there or I can pick it from my files. So I'm going to grab this business headshot. And so this program is so easy. Literally all I do is I mark green for everything I want to keep. And it doesn't have to be exact. And then I come up here, grab my red button, and I go around the sides that I don't really want. And see how it's already kind of really picking it apart for me? Even around his hair, I don't have to get too close. But now you can see my image over here looks really great. It's transparent. And look, it got a little bit of that white, so all we do is grab our green here to correct it, and voila, we have a transparent image that we can download now. So it is that quick and it is that easy, and it's a great program to use. And you can, they have monthly packages, so I'm going to show you that now. Their monthly packages, the pricing ranges from $3.99 a month to $14.99 a month, and with 15 credits, that means 15 downloads a month. So for $4, you could literally just use it 1 month, do everything you need to do on all of your different headshots and logos, and then get rid of it for the rest of the year. So if you have any questions about the program, feel free to reach out to me. If you don't want to pay for the $3.99 a month, I totally understand. If you just have one image that you want to get rid of the background, I think you know somebody that could help you out with that. So give me a call if you need anything. Otherwise, tune in for next week's Ask Ashton. And if you have some questions about any tech tips or any equipment that you want to know about, please leave it in the comments and maybe I'll answer it next week. Thanks. Have a great weekend.